Pepe, which is the 21st coin on the market cap by ranking, is going to do better than you ever think. And another wave of the market move to the upside is about to come into the market. So I will be talking about all of this in this very video. So definitely watch this video to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto, day trading strategy, to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Right here, if you go to CoinMarketCap and search for Pepe, you will see that Pepe right now is trading at 0.40148, and it have 2.51% in the last 24 hours trading volume. Okay, so this is the increase, and this is not that significant. And if you go right down to the market capitalization, that is the market cap, you discover it is $6.25 billion by market cap, and it is the 21st coin by ranking, okay, on CoinMarketCap. Now, if you go to other platform like CoinGecko, you may see something different from what you're seeing right here by ranking, okay, but it should not be that far from what we are seeing on CoinMarketCap. And if you look at the 24-hour trading volume, which is down here by 14.25%, and for the fact that it have 1.24 billion 24-hour trading volume, this is also very significant, and it is ranked number 10 in this very category. And then if you go a little bit down, one thing that is very interesting about Pepe is the circulating supply. It has a very huge circulating supply, but not mind the fact that all of this supply right here, which is 420.69 trillion Pepe, all of it is in circulation. Okay, so there is no token log, and also there is no token that is yet to be mined. So everything is in circulation right now, which is also very significant. And then if you go and check the contract, Pepe is being launched on the Ethereum blockchain, which is also very significant. And the Ethereum blockchain is the biggest altcoin blockchain. Okay, so when it comes to alternative coin, Ethereum have it, or when it comes to smart contract, Ethereum have it. Okay, Pepe is going to do greatly well in this very bull market. Now, if you take a look at Dogecoin in the heat of the 2021 bull market, Dogecoin do about 100 billion by market cap, and owing to the fact that there is a lot of money that have been put into the crypto market right now, owing to the BTC spot ETF approval and also the Ethereum spot ETF approval that happened about a few weeks ago. And this will always allow a lot of money from the bigger players to enter into the market from other financial markets like the stock market and the ETF market. So all of this is going to pump altcoins and every other meme coin that you see that have good community. So this is very important. It's not that you just go and buy any altcoin that you see in the market. There are specific, you buy meme tokens that have good community, and one of my pick is Pepe, which is very important. So it's going to do even more than we ever think is going to do. And one important thing is that if Dogecoin do about $100 billion in the heat of the bull run in 2021, and owing to the fact that a lot of money has been pumped into the crypto market right now, if Dogecoin do, let's say, $500 billion to $600 billion in this very bull market that I've just started, then I am expecting Pepe to do about 200 billion to 300 billion by market capitalization. So if you look at the capitalization right here, this is just 6.25 billion right now. So it means that this coin is still very cheap. So if you have not buy Pepe into your portfolio, I think this is also the right time to buy, because it's still very low right now, owing to the fact that if you look at technical analysis, it has moved significantly all the way from this very point. So if you look at this chart, Pepe has moved significantly all the way from 6 zeros to where it is 4 zeros right now, and it is still a good time to buy, or you add it to your portfolio. So this is very important. So another important thing you need to also pay attention to is that, you see, this very wave that we see right here on Pepe was as a result of Robinhood listing, if I'm not mistaken. So as a result of that very listing or Robinhood, markets pick up right to the upside. And there is another listing coming up right now, which is a possible Coinbase exchange and listing Pepe on their exchange, which is also very significant. If that happens, then we're going to see another big wave in Pepe price. So the right time to buy is right now for the next wave that is about to come into the market. That is all fundamental. If you look at the technical part of this very movement, it discovered the market move all the way from here to the upside. So if you take the Fibonacci retracement tool from this very area where the move starts up to this very area, it discovered that the retracement we have right now is just 0.236. Okay, so we still need the market to correct a little bit, but fundamental may not allow this retracement to be very significant to the downside. What this means is that I am not expecting this retracement to go right down to this very point. The possibility is there, but that is not what I'm expecting right now. So I am expecting that the retracement pause at this very area of 0.382 of the Fibonacci retracement. This is about 0.0000124 price of Pepe. The most I am expecting from this retracement is the market to go into this very level, and then from here we should see the market begin to move to the upside, which is very significant right now on the chart. So the possibility, like I said, of the market going back to the downside to this very area of support is there, but that is not what I'm expecting right now. The chance of market crashing this much is not high. Okay, the market have high capacity of moving to the upside. That is why I am expecting another wave in Pepe movement from where it is right now to the upside, or we can see the market just come back down a little bit to this very level of 0.382 of the Fibonacci retracement before we now see Pepe begin to move to the upside for the next wave. Like I said earlier, if we see Coinbase list Pepe on their exchange, then that means this very retracement to the downside may not happen. We're going to see the market just from this very area where the market is right now begin to move to the upside. So the most important thing you need to take away from this technical analysis is that the next wave of Pepe movement is going to happen very soon. And for you to further guarantee that very move, we need to cross above this very level of resistance I'm going to show you right now. So this level of resistance is very important, because when the market drop right down from this very area of resistance and then come back to this very point, that is from here, market drop down, the retracement come into this area before this very move to the downside, and market have not created any new low since then. So it means that if the market is going to move to the upside, we must have to see the market move upward and break this level of resistance, this price level of 0.0000157. So this very area right here, markets have to break this level. So once we see that very breakout on this very price area, that is of 0.0000156, this very point, the market is going to move to the upside. So what you need to pay attention to is the market moving upward and break this very price level. Once we see that breakout of this price level, then for me, it is a guarantee that the market is going to move to the upside for the next wave of this very move that is coming to the market right now on Pepe. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now on Pepe. And like I said earlier, Pepe is one of the good meme token out there that you can hold in your portfolio. Earlier on the fundamental breakdown, Pepe is very good and it's also cheap at this very price if you did not buy it lower than this price. So it is also the best time to actually jump into this very token and buy into your portfolio for the next wave of the move we are expecting in the market right now. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now on Pepe, guys. And please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you have not registered on Binance, OKX, Bybit, KuCoin, check the description of this video, see a link, and use the affiliate link down below and claim all the bonuses. Thanks for watching.